Hi YouTube, so today we're going to be discussing why this product might not be so good for low moisture cleaning. It's a great product, nothing wrong with it, but probably not good for low moisture cleaning. And we're going to talk a little bit about NCAP and why NCAP is a great cleaning system. So just bring you closer. See these two plates? Yesterday I put the Betco on this plate, and on this plate I put the NCAP. And a good test to see how it works in a carpet is to just use some black pepper and sprinkle it. And you can see if there's any residue. Right, so it gets a little messy, but that's okay. Let's just pull this down a bit more so you guys can see. So this is the Betco. Right, so what should happen if it's a good product for low moisture cleaning is this pepper should come straight off. Okay, a little bit came off, but as you can see, most of it's stuck. Right, let's try the NCAP. Ready? That's why NCAPs are good. And as you can see, it literally turns to a powder. And that's going to vacuum right out of the carpet. Now, my concern is, on the label, this tells you to vacuum first. Now, I know there's a lot of cleaners skip the vacuuming process. So you imagine that you add this product to a carpet that hasn't been vacuumed. This dry soil is now literally stuck to the carpet. It's not going to vacuum out. So the customer were probably in a better situation before you even showed up. It's because you had this stuff without vacuuming, all this stuff's just sticking to the carpet. Whereas this, let's just pour all this back on here. Let's move it around and so Donna, NCAPs do not act like glue. However, your Betco product that you recommend, actually acts more like glue. This is not for low moisture cleaning. Don't use Betco for low moisture cleaning.